ebusuafo say emanata so say e be san suade kakra so ati ase ti say ye nyina ye wo man especially bibi man say attempts wa ye painful no aya omo de ye dia so sometimes our leaders they be joking say on minus sika no say you ka say tighter ye hiafo e na tua tight aha o chicheni ye take tax from the salary asana the account na ye dia man but obi a o ye dwuma o parliament the net salary there be I just say allowance bi enu mu na ye gi tax what you say obi a o ye dwuma e wo parliament no members of parliament no ye mano bungalow ye mano allocation bebi a obeye dem bebi a obeda ya man car so on fan tu kwan ya man sa aka no sa aka na de man so a owo amount of fuel a obetimi akwa kwaje free ana san crop so mo ye de omo ntua tax nti there are some people in the nation omo ye de omo bu oman no omo nya mfaso over on the population am say no komo na de e ba bedi ti obi mo so mo mam de omo mpe bre so be kwa akoye dwuma na kwe no omo fanya asakwan bi so a omo yuzo omo adwene no mo the DCV oman no so ati ase no mo the DCV oman no ti wa wo hwe se dia ekuafo mo breya look at how the farmers suffer even look at the teachers essence say teacher for mo dwuma no at the end of the year we will see that people pass or they fail. So all the times GES, Ghana Education Service, is being able to assess the teachers and they change their criteria every year. Ebusian, yeba parliamentary. Obo mi this year. Parliamentarian. Every year they take more than 77,000 euros in 1 year. That money, somebody who is a farmer, a cocoa farmer, cassava farmer, will never get that money. Even in 2 years, in 3 years, will never get that money. But what the parliament, 1 year, no the nyansa sikano, a net salary. I'm not against it. But say you can say, oh, you're members of parliament, you will nyama baku 4. Your major role you are to play. So if you don't play those roles, it means you are wasting, you are causing a financial loss to the nation. I didn't hear because you are in the nation as an MP, whether you work or not, you are being paid. Sir, when was the CCA? Oman and Akufo-Addo, or say almost creating another region. They are creating another region, and a region will contain numbers of what constituency. So all these constituency are also coming to have their members of parliament. Currently, we have 275 members of parliament. Mame commence no so. Obi your parliament omo 4 major rules omo play. Baku legislation. Again, I say legislation. So by yemra ana so by yemra ana baku so ye representation as a member of parliament MP. You are a representative of your constituency. You are there to represent your members of your assemblymen. So this is one of their rules. So it is legislation, representation, and I saw back where your friend scrutiny. Say, they will examine the government. Say, abino no. That is one of their role too. And last one of the 4 main rules of the parliament. And when the formation of the government. But Ebusian, We are going to take these things one by one. And the one kasa, who the word drink, ebe jeji. So you cast a legislation, they will make law. After you make the law, then you send it to the president, and the president will go through. Then they send it to the court, and the lawyers will start using it. Since 1992, the Constitution of 1992 is the same Constitution we are using up to date. While there are some emergencies in this country, these people have to talk about. And there are some cases, and these people have to make even a single law, one like this, they could not make up to date. Your mind will, and a Lebanese boss or Shimoku, and a good Ghanaian citizen, then you Parliament, Mbraben, labor law. What have you done about it? The labor law. Den Shirabwasi. Sedi. Captain Mahama. Obina Dishi. Ayekun Yaya. Which law has come out to regulate such cases? The 275 MPs in the parliament, they make in this 7th Republic of Ghana, which law have they made to regulate such cases? We know that it will be in Ghana. When the thing comes, we talk. That's all. Then we bring something, some mind game inside. These people, the Nchabwase case, which law have they made to regulate such cases? If somebody is being assaulted wrongly, where is the law? The Lebanese boss who threw pepper into the eyes of a Ghanaian citizen. Which single law our MPs made to regulate such things? Yeah. Huh? Yes, say you man way mo. And we have president who rule this country, Ghana. One of them is the former president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I know that when you are president and you are being dethroned, there are some package that will be given to you. There are some packages which will be given to you, and every month or whatever, you will be given something. So, the former president, His John Dramani Mahama, he's enjoying those things just like J.J. Rawlings, J. Kufo, and Atamis. He is gone. So he's also enjoying that thing. Now, the former president, John Dramani Mahama, want to come again, recandidating of an ex-president. Which law the members of the parliament have made about such thing? He is already a former president, enjoying the past glory. When he comes again and the Ghanaian vote for him, he becomes president again. And when another year he is no more president, is the Ghanaian going to give him those things again? Because when you are president and you are being dethroned, there will be some packaging which will be given to you. There are some allowances for you. So he is already enjoying it. You want to come again. By all means, somebody will come and replace him. So when in the second term he comes, let's say that he now 2020 he wins the election. 2024 he lose. Is the Ghanaian going to give him that package again, or they will say that in 2016 you are already given some, so 2024 we are no more going to give you? Our members of parliament, have they made a law to regulate a recandidating former president? Yay. Someone dream. Someone dream cry. Say, you're a man paying your mama. He is already enjoying those things. What about if you win 2020 election and in 2024 he doesn't win? Is Ghana going to give him those things again? Question. I was a so members of parliament, their legislative rule, and I say duty, are they performing it? Which law have they made so far to regulate something which will help our motherland? But the money they take, 77,379 euros a year, aside the apartment, aside their tools, the cars, the free fuel. So the poor are remaining poor, the taxpayers are poor, and the tax collectors are rich. This is the nation into which we are living. When you pay, almost say, this is one of the duties of parliament, representation. Someone can represent the constituency from which they come from. And I am telling you, there are some members of parliament, after the vote, their people never see them again. After election 2016, their people of that constituency, they've never see them again. They have vanished, living in the cities, forgetting that you are representing a constituency which is underdeveloped. That is why you say that you are going to represent that constituency in the national level. No more could do what? No matter that. More could do no matter that. Nti bebre, ontimiko, nakasana constituency. Adentia, the role Lord Ukraine, nti ontiminko. Have you ever spoken about it in the parliament? Or you are just there for useless things? Excuse my language. Representation. Tell me the members of parliament who has represented his constituency there. And you're joking one and also. Yay. As they are working, they just be planning things. 2019, then they will start going back to their constituencies to deceive the illiterate and the ages. Deceive the youth with money, with gifts. You will run in the rally. After it, they will give you 20 cedis, 50 cedis. You collect it. No, you collect 50 cedis for 4 years. 150 cedis that you collected, and you give a stamp that is for 4 years. Forgetting that 50 cedis cannot take you a day or 2 days. 50 cedis, even a day or 2 days, or than you say 1 week. Forgetting that in 1 week, that 50 cedis is gone, but you have already voted for somebody's son, for somebody's brother, for somebody's father, somebody's husband, somebody's mother, sister, for 4 years. So is this the representation? As a member of parliament, is that how you are representing your constituency in the national level? Do sometimes we should stop joke. Yenja joke. Neyen face matters. I'm just a boy. But because I'm true. Because I know the truth I am talking about. And I know where I am coming from. True. Again, this platform is truth telling type. Only the truth. say we scrutiny or to examine the government. Which examination? Chinamba kwa examine government. Chem MP wa examine government. Enyomu nyina o MPs na bi omo yade. I know some of them by name. I can mention. But this is a general thing. Bebremu bo omana bro. Ati bebre no. They are just spending the monies of the country. Money that they take. Teachers in a classroom. Doing all those things. Never collect. Even in 10% of their salary. The teacher for them who boni omaye. A teacher for. I don't know the type of sin teacher has committed that they are so disregarded. Teachers. So more examine government. Yeni ha 2016, 2017. That the Ghanaian citizens has to run after the V8, which has been done away by a government. So you are examining government. Government properties. Baby akodu baby. Monti ni che baby nyamane che. Yeni ha na ebeti se omampo we disika. Minister we disika. Omampo we disika. Minister we disika. How did you examine them and when they were taking the money you don't see? You only see when they've finished spending it. Which kind of examination have you been given? Huh? Which kind of examination? So what I say? Mamu fire drain dia brusa. Yenya daho. So what I say? Yenya daho papa. So omo examine government. Law ben. Yeni hana president came in their manifesto in a campaign time. They give a lot of promises. When they come, they don't do. At the end of the 4 years, they will tell you that they have laid a foundation. Vote for them again, then they will continue their work. But in your manifesto, when during the campaign, you didn't say that you are coming to lay the foundation. You told us that you are coming to build the nation. And after 4 years, you say that you have laid the foundation. So our MPs, are they examining these people? This government? Are they examining the government? Sanka, we are candidate. And no more promises. So, but obey we say. A billion year train 1 district, 1 factory. Say the Ghana phone in a train 1 district, 1 factory. At the end of the 4 years, we don't see the 1 district, 1 factory, 1 village, 1 dam, 1 constituency, 1,000 DD. If you don't see it, then the parliament must to call you the president and say that look, this is your manifesto, and you fail to do this, you fail to do this, you fail to do this. For that matter, your party is going to pay a penalty for deceiving the country. So basically, school are dying. Gave a number, say 200 and you couldn't fulfill that promise. And Kaokon, they are no responsible. That you told us that when you come, you will do this, and this. When they kind of examinations of government, you told us you are coming to do this. At the end of the 4 years, where are the realizations? One thing here, your party is going to pay what? A penalty for deceiving the country. Anka 1 district, 1 factory. Anka or make promises now. Or maybe two. When you are in opposition, no more say Sikao. Oda konyana mani we oba. So the people are playing with our mind. So what I say. So if Parliament say that it is their duty to examine the government, they are to do this, hold them responsible for their promises. So what I say, hold them responsible for their own promises. And actually say, yes, you are examining the person. I don't know about what someone said. Formations of government. I had to make us my adekakra. But then you know, so a mind game. They are just be playing. You will see them on TV asking questions, frowning their faces, doing this at the end of it all. Yeniha 2017. Yeniha 2017. And I am paying Akufado. Weji Madam Otiko Jaba as a minister of gender and a BBB. The minority. Omaka Somon Penny. Omaka Somon Penny. So still, woman, ministers of gender and a DNA all day and a Wendy. All day. The formations of government, you know. What I am say that when Gina say, woman and yan your bed or the minister now. Meaning you have a fault against her. That is why you said that she will not be a minister of gender and then the account. Most of 1 year service of Ghana. At the end of the day, the same woman was that minister. So does that bring to conclude that she has now did the service before she was given the post? You are just deceiving us, members of parliament. We have to see the relevancies of your work. Okrieni, Okofum, and Odiabru at the end of the season. Sebrona Mbua or him say Ayeye. Chicheni or Chradie, Akolano ko exam, and no one passia, yes, a teacher any one Chradie. Footballer or Bob on one shegola, you say on him. The same thing, Musumusha parliament. Yasanko Chinese chair, Eddie Amam. There's a Ghana chair and your papa. Ghanaian chair and your papa. Chinese chair suna mutina. No so called Chinese parliament. Coaches over Ghanaian chairs. Oh, what? Misappropriations of funds. Misappropriations of funds. So what I say? Madam Otiko Jaba, yes, a panel minister, minorities. At the end of the day, this woman was the minister of gender. Yabaya reshuffle, near somebody an ambassador of Italy, as I know about resigning. So where is the formations of the government? More, some people are taking double salary. When these people who are MPs and at the same time ministers have been taking double salary. Oh my goodness. Into your minus sikana cause I know. Or minus sikana. Hey, only the video on subscribe. Truth telling time. Dakoba. Oh, YouTube. Video no be brave. So what I say, and I send you to me on Facebook. I say, be brave. T subscribe. Truth telling time. Dakoba. Oh, YouTube. Subscribe. Net anyone notification for upload. So what I say, nti chicheni obeye juma at the end of the month salary number. Okrieni cocoa farmer obedo to increase cocoa price mpo. Yes, there be. So the one in charge of cocoa board is richer than the cocoa farmer. Dia oma akola no duane no. Onukra we me eja akola no. You the one feeding the child. You the one feeding the child. You become satisfied while the child is not yet. Into way, are you feeding the child or you are feeding yourself? Wa woman akola duane no no. Wo kra wo din kan men akola no nyam men. This is how our leaders are using us. Ebusian, menemo nkasa nche. Yes, say, uko parliament ya, they have 4 major rules. The legislation, that is to make law. But you say nyama bebre e course of my way one. These MPs have never made a single law to regulate it. They are still using the 1992 constitution. And no more so use. So we don't see the law they make. That is one. 2, representation. Some more represent your constituency. But I don't see how they represent their constituency. I don't see. I am individualism, selfishness, greediness, and the tea of my way. Number 3, almost a scrutiny to examine the government. Examination there. Government go away with national properties. Government can give promises that they don't fulfill. They don't do them anything. So why is it? Why is it examine? How are you examining them? And then number 4, almost said formations of government. And so but at the end of the year, 77,379 euros per annum. One members of parliament. Beside the apartment, the cast, the force of the Duke Nadina. So the taxpayers are poor. The tax collectors are rich. Abusian, but no Casanche. Over to the video which our YouTube. No benya bebre our subscribe the truth telling time Dakoba our YouTube. No my thumb up. Na yenkoyeni. Ti abusian. Am say we ni die here say be share video no. Non kodu bi insta bi nche. Non kodu omampen bi nche. Non kodu open bi nche. Non tie video we. Non fa sacha. Na yen fan sacha yadwi. Na yen so yintimi tumpo. Madam nyina se. E be sensia. Enche me se ambasisia. Baba. It's a mind game.